Hey everyone, so last time we showed you how to install MetaMask, but now you need to set up a new account. To do this, after installing MetaMask, click Get Started. As we're setting up a new account, head over to Create a Wallet. You'll then need to choose a password. I recommend picking something secure and different to all of your other passwords. Then click Agree to the terms of use. You could read them if you want, but I don't think anyone ever does. Let's hope they don't claim your firstborn child somewhere in there. I'm only 12, so I'm not worrying about that right now. Click Create, then review the video on securing your wallet. This is really important because in Web3 you have complete control over your assets, but that also means it's your responsibility. The government or banks won't bail you out if something happens to your money. Go to the next screen and click to reveal your secret 12-word backup seed phrase. Okay, so let's talk about your seed phrase. This is the most important part of your account. If someone else gets it, they can log into your MetaMask from anywhere in the world and steal your money. That sucks. Write this down on paper and keep 2 copies in separate locations. I keep one under my pillow at night, joke, and the other one somewhere else. You didn't think I would tell you everything, did you? I mean, it's meant to be secure. Don't save it on your computer. Hackers who gain access to your PC could find it and use it. Also, never give this to anyone. Lots of scammers on the internet will try and convince you that they need it to help you. They don't. It's a lie. Why write it all down, you might think? Well, sometimes you'll get locked out of your account, or you reinstall MetaMask on a new computer, and then you'll need it to get back in. If you lose it, your money and NFTs are gone forever. Tragic. So to summarize, on paper, 2 separate locations, and never share it. For now, this account number, also known as your ETH address, is the one you'll give to people when they want to send you money. And it's also the account where all your NFTs will be stored. Thankfully, you don't need to type this out when sending it to someone. Just click here to copy it to your clipboard. It's like your Web3 bank account number. Congratulations! You now have a Web3 wallet and are ready to start your journey into NFTs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. And I'll catch you in the next one. See you soon!